Good day everyone and welcome to our project para sa Kabataan. My name is Chanmar Baal and you can call me Kuya Chanmar. Our topic for today is all about multiplication of fraction. Our objectives are multiply different kinds of fraction and compute the product of fraction with accuracy. So what is fraction? Fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. It consists of numerator and denominator. We have three types of fraction: the proper fraction, the improper fraction, and the mixed fraction. Yung una, yung proper fraction, is a fraction whose numerator is smaller than its denominator. For example, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and 3 over 5. Yung pangalawa is improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is equal or greater than its denominator. For example, 4 over 3, 3 over 2, and 6 over 5. And lastly, we have mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. For example, 1 over 1 half, and 2 and 1/4. Tandaan nyo, we have three types of fraction. Una, proper fraction. Pangalawa, improper fraction. And pangatlo, mixed fraction. Parts of fraction. We have two parts of fraction: numerator and denominator. Yung numerator is the number above the bar in a fraction. It tells how many of the equal parts of the whole or group are being considered. And yung denominator naman is the number below the bar in a fraction. It tells the total number of equal parts. For example, we have 1/3. 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. 1 is numerator because ito yung number above the bar in a fraction. And 3 naman yung denominator kasi siya yung number below the bar in a fraction. We have also real life example of fraction. The most common example of fraction from real life are equal sizes of pizza, fruit, cake, a bar of chocolate, and etc. And how to multiply fraction? There are three simple steps to multiply fraction. First, multiply the top numbers, which is the numerator. Number 2, multiply the bottom numbers, which is the denominator. Number 3, simplify the fraction if needed. So, need natin ito mamaya sa pag-multiply ng mga fraction. Gagamitin natin ito mamaya. For example, 3 over 4 times 1 half. So, yung first step is multiply the top numbers. 3 and 1 is the numerator. So, we will multiply 3 and 1. So, 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Next step is multiply the bottom number, which is the denominator. Yung denominator dito is 4 and 2. So, 4 times 2 is equals to 3 over 8. And yung 3 over 8 ay hindi na masisimplify kasi siya na yung pinaka-simple form niya. Next example is 2 over 7 times 3. Fraction and a whole number. So, paano natin multiply ito? Tandaan natin lagi na kapag whole number ay minumultiply sa fraction, laging may denominator yung whole number na 1. Tandaan nyo lagi yan. Laging may denominator na 1 siya. So, kapag may denominator na 1, yung step na gagamitin natin ay yung step din na ginamit natin kanina, yung pag-multiply ng fraction. So, first, multiply the numerator. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Pangalawa, multiply the bottom numbers, which is the denominator. So, 7 times 1 is equals to 7. So, the answer is 6 over 7. Another example is 2 over 5 times 1 and 3 over 12. So, how are we going to multiply this? Because 1 and 3 over 12 is a mixed number. So, we have step in multiplying the mixed number. First, convert the improper fraction. Second, multiply the numerator. Third, multiply the denominator. And last, simplify the fraction if necessary. So, first, we will convert the mixed number to a fraction. So first, we will multiply the denominator, which is 12 sa whole number. 12 times 1 is equals to 12 plus i-multiply natin yung nakuha natin sagot sa numerator. So 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. And copy the denominator. So 15 over 12. Kapag ganyan na, i-multiply na natin yung both fraction. 2 over 5 times 15 over 12. So, yung ginawa dito is, kinancel na yung 5, 15, and yung 2 and yung 12. Kasi, pwede siyang mag-divide na dalawa. So, 2 divide 2 is 1, 12 divide 2 is 6, and 5 divide 5 is 1, 15 divide 5 is 3. So, 1 over 1 and 3 over 6. So, 3 over 6 is, pwede pa siyang masimplify. So, 3 and 6 is, simplify siya sa, divide natin siya ng 3. So, 3 divide 3, 1, 6 divide 3 is 2. So, 1 times 1 equals to 1, and 1 times 2 is equals to 2. And pwede din, i-multiply natin yung 2 over 5 times 15 over 12. 2 times 15 is 30, and 5 times 12 is 60. So, i-simplify natin yung 30 over 60. Yung 30 over 60 is pwede siya ma-divide ng 30. So, 30 divided by 30 is equals to 1. 60 divided by 30 is equals to 2. So, 1 over 2. And same lang siya sa nakuha ang answer dito. So, try this. 2 over 7 times 3. And 5 times 9 over 10. Ito yung fraction multiplied by mixed number. Basta una, gawin nyo, laging may denominator na 1 yung whole number para hindi kayo maguluhan. I hope you got the correct answer and great job. Thank you.